Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and staying at home. Today we are going to revise a lesson from EVS 2. The name of lesson is Getting to Know the Place We Live In. But before starting the chapter, one important note for you. This is a revision video. Those who have already submitted the worksheet related to this lesson sent on 6 May 2020, they will just revise, and those who have not completed the worksheet, they will go to the end tab and download the worksheet. Those who have already submitted for them, I will send some revision questions. Now come back to our topic, getting to know the place we live in. So first we will find out the names of towns in the word puzzle, and this is going to be fun. So let us do it. This is Pune, that is Kolhapur. This is Latur, that is Thane. This is Satara, that is Spain. And this is Nashik. So students, have you enjoyed this activity? Now let us understand how does a town form. In very old times, before man began farming, he lived a nomadic life. He was dependent on hunting animals and gathering fruits, roots, and bulbs for food. Later, man learned to grow crops. He began to settle where he found suitable land and water. People began to build houses in such places and settle there. They began to help each other in farming. Their houses were close by. Thus, settlements were formed. The settlements began to grow bigger. Many settlements merged together to form village. People felt safer living in such settlements. As farming developed, people had to do different kind of work. One person could not do all of them. So work was divided between the people. For example, making wooden implements, repairing them, weaving cloth, making jewelry, and making clay pots. Thus, there were artisans engaged in different occupations. Like in present days, we see doctor, nurses, plumbers, soldiers, farmers, etc. Now students, when we are talking about farmer, so farmer used different farming implements. So which are the different implements needed for farming? So the farming implements are: first, soil cultivation implements; second, planting machines; third, harvesting implements, etc. Modern farming tools played very essential role in development of agriculture sector in India. Ancient or traditional tillage operation tools like plough, it was made up of iron and wood and pulled by a pair of a bullock. Now students, here are the latest tools which are available to farmers and their uses. Now the first is tractors, second, plough, third, sprayer, fourth, drag, fifth, combine, sixth, fertilizers, etc. So students, these are latest tools which are available for farmers and their uses. Now, farmers grow many crops in their farm. If farmers want to send those crops to us, how do they say they will send? For that, they have to sell those crops in the market. Example, weekly market and daily market. People in villages are dependent on weekly markets for their needs. Now students, you can see here on the screen an image of weekly market, and the second is means of transport. Students, as you know, there are three types of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. In this lesson, we will see means of transport like land transport, and here are few examples. Like first one is bullock cart, second is truck, and third one is bus. Now students, when we are talking about weekly markets, so definitely the people in villages are dependent on weekly market for their needs. These markets sell all essential items, mainly food grains, vegetables, farming implements, clothes, etc. The market is also the place where people can meet one another and inquire about each other's well-being. Now students, do you know donkey market of Jejuri? People belongings to various castes and communities attend the fair of folk deities of masses in Maharashtra with reverence. Many things related to people's living such as different types of markets are also a part of these fairs. Jejuri Jejuri in Pune district and Madhi in Ahmednagar district are places of pilgrimage. They are also well known for their donkey markets. At Malegaon, another place of pilgrimage in Nanded district, a market is held for donkeys and horses. Places come to be known for reasons such as these. So, students, I hope you understood the topic of farming and implements, occupations, means of transport, and also about weekly and daily market. So, students, in next video we are going to learn about historical places. Thank you.